Okay, here we have a Crest 5-station automated ultrasonic cleaning system. We have 2 rinse wash tanks, a hot air dryer, and a vacuum dryer. And there's many other options in between here. So we'll just start here with the wash rinse tanks. So it's a spray over immersion rinse. So you start with station 1, which is load, and then this is 2 and 3. And both these tanks do pretty much the identical function. It's just that this tank is monitored with a pH meter, and this one's monitored with a resistivity meter, which you can see on the front here. And both of these meters feed back to the PLC, and they will monitor the values, and the resistivity will actually, it's actually a set point that can be maintained by allowing more or less water into it by the water take-up system. So underneath you can see there's all the valving, manual valves, solenoid valves, and there is an optional take-up system. So it's actually opening and closing the drain valves and incoming water valves. The dryer is a heated air dryer with 500 watts of heat, 1100 CFM recirculating blower. There's stationary blow-off nozzles, which are up the side, and then a traversing nitrogen purge nozzle that actually is actuated and comes across the top. And then the next station is the vacuum dryer. You can see the nice shiny vacuum chamber. It has 4 xenon lamps in each corner to provide heat. And then when the cycle starts, there's a door that slides across pneumatically and then gets sucked down. And vacuum is supplied with 2 Edwards pumps, and then there's a vacuum gauge on the front. And then the final is the unload station, which is just a platform there. So we can go back to the control cabinet, and then the generators here. So each tank has dual frequencies. There's a 40 and a 58 hertz generator for each tank. So then we'll check out the user interface here. And this interface it's actually very easy to use. There's different levels of access, between an operator or maintenance or engineer. So we're just logged into engineer right now, so we can show a few more features. And as you can see, there's a pictorial diagram of what's going on here. So here's the machine, and it's showing what is active and what isn't. And it's showing our levels. We have pH 12.5, resistivity 0.2, your ultrasonics temperature set points, and that's all live on the screen. So in a little bit we'll run process 2, which we created, which has a bunch of short dwells for each station, so we can just show it moving through it pretty quickly. But some of the other things you can look at, there is the pictorial diagram of each individual station, so we can see currently what's on or what isn't. You know, we can activate it. You can hear solenoids clicking. There you can hear the ultrasonics kick on for that one, ultrasonics for that one. And we can scroll through to the dryer, open and close the lid. You can hear it close. We can turn on the blowers. And then the vacuum station, we can kick the pumps on. And then anything you need to set is in here. It's very easy to use. You know, you can check you can set your limits on the resistivity and pH. Currently, the freestanding water filtration system is not connected, so we don't have a reading for that one right there, but the other two are connected. You know, you can manually jog the robot left and right here. And then as far as making a program, it's pretty easy to do. You just set, you know, we're on station 2 wash times. So everything here pertains to station 2, and then this is recipe 1, 2, 3, 4 as it goes down. So the one we're going to use in a little bit, process 2, we set everything to about 10 seconds for the dwells and the oscillations, and the drip times we did 5, and then you just go to the different stations wash times here. So that's station 3, and then 4 is the dry times. And that's all you have to do to change the different timing there. And then you can monitor your ultrasonic power usage here, and then you can see the 40 hertz and 58. You can set an alarm if it's too low. You can disable the heaters or the blower or fill. You know, we disabled some of the heaters just to make the demonstration a little quicker, but it's very easy to use. You know, just open this up, take a peek inside. Oh, no, we're not going to open it up right now. But there's the screen, and here in a little bit we'll just run a quick test.